I want to feature one very special product that came out. It was just launched in February, but it's been something that's been being researched for at least 5 or 6 years. And one thing I love about Mary Kay is that they thoroughly research all of their products. So 500,000 plus independent tests are done every year on our products. 29 of them have received the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, which is a big deal. They have to go through quite a rigorous process to get that. And what that means is that they will refund your money if you're not happy with any Mary Kay product, because it's been researched to prove that it does what it says it's going to do. Now, Mary Kay already has 100% satisfaction guarantee. There's no time limit on that. You could literally be 3/4 of the way done with your bottle and decide that you aren't loving it, and you just get it back to your consultant, and the company actually replaces it or refunds you. So they treat us so well that way. But you could actually double dip. Okay, you could get money back from Mary Kay and money back from the Good Housekeeping seal. So nobody's really ever done that since I've been doing this, but it's possible. That's how much we believe in our products, and that's how much independent research has been done. Okay, so what I want to talk to you about tonight is this brand new set called Clinical Solutions. Okay, when you open it up, it has a pamphlet that tells you a little bit more about it. It says amplify your age fighting, and on the inside it has a tracker to keep track of your use of this product, because if you're a first-time retinol user, you don't just want to start putting retinol on your face. Okay, you need to go through a process of getting your skin used to it. We call that retinization, and Mary Kay has developed an exclusive, one-of-a-kind system to use the retinol in conjunction with another product to help minimize effects you can get from using high-grade pure retinol. So it takes about 8 weeks to get your skin used to it. Some women 9 or 10, but then you're able to use your retinol just straight with your nighttime routine. So it comes in this beautiful box. It looks like this. It's a 2-part set. Now you can get each of these separately. You can buy just the retinol 0.5, or you can buy just the Calm and Restore Facial Milk. For anyone who just wants a lightweight milk textured moisturizer that's amazing for dry skin, you can get this just by itself. But it's especially good with retinol treated skin or somebody who's going through the retinization process. So that's why it's sold in combo. Week 1 and 2, you take a drop of the retinol and you actually mix it with some of the Calm and Restore Facial Milk. You dilute it together and put that on your face. And that's it. That's week 1. And then you wait a week and you do that again for week 2. Okay. The 3rd and 4th weeks, you put on the straight retinol, just the pea-sized amount, and then you follow it with the Calm and Restore Facial Milk. Again, that's just once a week for 2 more weeks, and that gets you through the first 4 weeks. And then you increase, like I am. I'm on week 5. I did my first day Friday, and my second day is going to be Tuesday, I've decided. And so I'm going to do the straight retinol. And then if I need to follow with the facial milk, I will, if it feels like it needs a little extra moisture to calm my skin. I'll put that on, but that's optional at this point. And I do it twice a week for 2 weeks. And then the last 2 weeks you are doing every night, 3 to 5 nights a week, depending on what your skin seems to be handling. And you can use the facial milk after if you want to, or if you don't feel like you need it, then you're good to go. I actually use the facial milk all the time because I tend to have dry skin anyway. And one of the things that can happen with retinol is that you can have temporary dryness and redness as your face is getting used to it. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what retinol is, but I'm just going to show you the Calm and Restore Facial Milk and how you put that on. I'm going to actually put a little bit on right over my makeup, just a few pumps. You can see it's pretty liquidy, right? Okay, you can put it on any time of day. This is just amazing. If your skin just needs a little bit of refreshing, if it's irritated from anything, if it's a little dry, you can just rub that on. Kind of pat it on is what I do when I have makeup on. That can be morning, night. Okay, so little bit more about what retinol is, in case you haven't heard of it. If you have heard of it, go ahead and put in the comments what you've already learned about retinol, or maybe if you've tried it and not liked it, if you've tried it and liked it, anything at all about retinol. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so this set is a new branch of beauty in cosmetics right now called dermo cosmetics. Dermo cosmetics is basically solutions that blend beauty with dermatology or dermatological effects. And so you used to have to go to a dermatologist to get retinol. And then some companies started carrying it in products, but mostly it was med spas and dermatologists if you were going to do it right and you were going to have a high grade quality pure retinol, right? But now we figured out a way to bring that right to your home through your beauty consultant. And so you have a personalized experience. It's not just ordering something and trying it. You'll have a consultant to walk you through every step of the way and respond to how your skin's doing and give you supplemental products as needed to help with that process. Okay, so as I said, it's meticulously tested and it delivers a huge amount of performance. And so the things that retinol helps with are wrinkles, skin firmness, skin tone and evenness of the skin tone, skin texture, skin elasticity, and radiance. Okay, so starting in our early 20s, we start losing about 1% of collagen per year forever, unless we do something to help restore that. What's collagen, you might ask? It's that protein that's sort of the building block of cells and surface cells and holds our all of our cells together and gives you the sort of plumped out texture under your skin. Okay, and elastin is the stretchy stuff that keeps things firm. Okay, so it helps with all of the things. It's amazing. Anyone can use this from age 20 up, men and women, except you don't want to use this if you're pregnant or lactating or planning to become pregnant, because retinol is made of vitamin A. It's a vitamin A derivative, and overloading yourself with vitamin A isn't a good idea during pregnancy or lactation. But anyone else, it is literally safe for anyone else. And even if you don't have wrinkles yet, it doesn't mean you shouldn't use retinol. It means you should use it to prevent those signs of aging that could come. And anyone who has like any sort of discoloration or anything like that, it calms that as well. Okay, and really, really lightens it. So like I said, I'm in week 5 of my 8-week retinization process, and I'm hoping for great results. I've always been kind of a skeptic, about things, but I'm seeing proof in myself. I'm noticing lightening spots that were there and a little bit more firmness already, okay, after just 4 pumps, 4 1-week applications, and a 5th one for the first part of this week. It's crazy. And people I've known in person, other consultants and directors and Mary Kay, their skin has changed drastically. So it's not just models, right? And before and afters, it's real women that I actually know, which is super exciting. Okay, so a little bit more about vitamin A and retinol. Retinol, you might also hear it called retin A or retinoid. Okay, basically it's considered to be the gold standard by dermatologists in preventing and reversing visible signs of aging. So it's just really good stuff. Now, I want to be clear that this is not meant to replace a good skincare system. You should have a good skincare system. You need to have a cleanser, you need to have good day and night cream or moisturizers, and a good eye cream, okay? And when you're applying this, you put on your eye cream first to make sure it's absorbed good, because you don't want to get retinol near your eyes, right? Because it's such high grade quality stuff that you've got to be a little bit careful where that goes. So you make sure the eye cream is absorbed, then you do your retinol and your facial milk, and then you go ahead and use your night cream over the top of that. And then I use some other products when my skin's feeling dry throughout the week, but really I've had very little issues at all, just a little bit of dryness like kind of around my nose, and that is it. So this set will last you 4 to 5 months, using it twice a day, every day, okay? If you want to do the retinization process because you've never used retinol before, it's gonna last you more like 6 or 7 months the first time. And then once your skin is retinized, you go to just once a day with your nighttime skincare routine, as many days of the week as you would like to do it. So that could be 3, 4, 5, or even 6 or 7, okay? All right, so that's what I wanna tell you about the retinol, this amazing, amazing clinical solution set.